Hi, this is Vinny with Steet Ponte Chevy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your phone to Bluetooth on your new Chevrolet. So to connect your phone to Bluetooth, you're first going to enter your audio settings right here in the infotainment system. Click on Bluetooth, it is going to load. You're then going to click Connect to Bluetooth right here on the screen. You're going to go into your Bluetooth right on here, and it will scan for other devices. You're going to click Add Phone, and on your phone you will see My Chevrolet. Right through here I'm going to click the same thing. I'm going to click Pair on screen with both, and it should connect right to your phone. Once your phone is connected, it is also going to allow you the option of Apple CarPlay. Right on the screen you're just going to click Enable, and it should connect right to Apple CarPlay. And there you have it. Now your phone is connected to Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or stop down and see us right here in Herkimer, New York. Come see why it's always so easy to do business at Steet Ponte Chevy.